Hey guys, Kyle here from Kickstart Automation. Hope you're having a great day. So today we're going to dive into a topic that I get asked quite a bit, and that is what's the difference between Infusionsoft and Mailchip? And I get this asked probably maybe twice a month, and it's usually a type of conversation is, hey, I'm using Mailchimp, Constant Contact, Aweber. I already have that. What's the difference? What's the difference? Why should I switch to Infusionsoft when it's twice as much per month? So of that kind of type of response, of course I'm biased because I'm an Infusionsoft certified partner. I spend about 40 to 60 hours a week sometimes inside of Infusionsoft. So hopefully this video will kind of shed some light into the difference. And both are great. It's just what I want to demonstrate is the need of the user and what they're looking to get out of the software. So let's just talk about that. This is only going to be about 10 minutes, and will hopefully steer you down the right path. And so you don't have to spend endless hours of trying different software. It doesn't work, move on to the next one that a lot of people do these days. So let's get started. So this is a little selfless promotions here. My name's Kyle Robinson. I'm from Kickstart Automation, and I help businesses grow and scale their business using Infusionsoft. So that's kind of a little bit about me. I've been having this company. I just started it actually in, let's say, it's December of 2015. So pretty new company. I've been using Infusionsoft inside of other companies for the last couple of years, and decided to go out on my own. So that's a little bit about me. So what's the difference? So I would like to put into one bucket, if you allow me, to put in Aweber, Mailchimp, and Constant Contact in one bucket, and Infusionsoft in the other. Why I'm doing so is because the bucket with Aweber and Constant Contact and Mailchimp, they are perfect for organizations that are looking for a solution that will collect email addresses and have a merge field that will say, hey Kyle, hey, thanks for signing up. So that's an autoresponder, or just collecting emails for, let's say, if you're a community organization, you just have to collect email addresses. There's no financial return on investment. There's really no goals. It's just to collect the email addresses and send out the monthly newsletter. That is a great way to use Constant Contact, Aweber, this bucket, right, of software. It just collects the emails in, puts them in a list, and every time you have to do a broadcast, it'll get sent out. Delivery rate to your recipients is great. The email templates that you're using is simple and it's easy, and that's great. Maybe if you got a soccer team, maybe if you're a coach for a tennis team, this is great. Where the difference lies and why people are make a switch to Infusionsoft is if they are a small company and they're growing and their needs are increasing, and what they're looking to do is do more. So before I move and talk about Infusionsoft, let's just go into Constant Contact here for a second. So inside of Constant Contact, you can create campaigns that promote different events, such as automate a few emails with some timers in the middle. If they, for example, they sign up for, if we had a software company and we had a trial going on and they signed up for the trial, well, we would automate, of this 15 days, an email every 2 days. Run a promotion. So these are all great. These are all individual things that you can activate using Constant Contact. The challenge, though, is that Constant Contact doesn't connect in with other software, other services as other SaaS, so software as a service. So they don't connect with other software apps that you use in your business. So the data stays inside of Constant Contact, and Constant Contact is not a CRM either. So it's just holding typically the first name and email address, and that's it. Nothing about their behavior, nothing about what they bought. It doesn't say if they click this link, do this. So this is where a bit of the challenge comes in, is if you're a growing company and you need that information from customers to learn more about them, so that over a year you have a lot of rich information of them. So they like pink socks and they hate Fridays, but why would they hate Fridays? But you at least collect that data to then create specific marketing campaigns around. So that's where Constant Contact is not going to help you. Constant Contact will help you create simple little campaigns and send them out. The question is what is your return? Well, what's your if you're trying to maximize, what you're trying to do with your subscribers? That's where the challenge is. So within Infusionsoft, you can do all of these things, but you can actually connect, campaigns in with other campaigns automatically without you doing anything. So you can set it all up using their campaign builder and set it all up. And that's kind of the power of Infusionsoft. So so let's just get back to the high level here. So in the one bucket where we have Aweber, Constant Contact, Mailchip, that is what you would call email marketing. And what Infusionsoft is, it's actually marketing automation. It's customer life cycle automation. So you can actually attract leads in, educate them, and then actually sell to them without you actually doing anything. In some situations where if you just sell a product and you just want people to come in off a lead and then nurture them and then have them pop out. That's one case. There's lots of different scenarios that you can build out sales funnels inside of Infusionsoft over a 6-month or a 12-month period of time. And that's what you can do with an Infusionsoft, where you're limited in Constant Contact for functionality. So that's kind of my spit. That's my little part on, or my little rant on Constant Contact. So great deliverability, great one-offs. However, for growth, and if you're looking to increase sales or you're looking to save time in your business on some repetitive tasks that you do, that's where this email marketing platform from Constant Contact or Mailchimp, that's where that was what they don't do. Whereas now we're inside the dashboard of Infusionsoft, it actually does everything that Mailchimp does or Aweber, and just takes it to the next level. It's actually a customer relation management system, so it's storing all of the links that they clicked on, why you would, for example, want to keep. Why would you? So I guess the question is, why would you want to keep the information that they clicked the link inside of an email? Well, you really wouldn't, but what you would do is you would apply a tag to what they clicked. So if they, for example, in a campaign, clicked on a link for one of the products in the email, but within the campaign window time frame, if they didn't purchase maybe 2 days before and they didn't have a purchase goal in the campaign and they didn't purchase, well, 2 days before you can then send them a promotion because you know that they have interest because they clicked the link, and you can send them a promotion, and then they'll buy the product. If they just didn't click at all on that link, they just keep going through the campaign. So this is kind of the functionality that you can start thinking about and start putting into your business. You can automate your sales process. So this is kind of where the next step is taking your email campaigns and actually infuse it into your business, I guess is the best way to put it. So it's a CRM, it's marketing, it's e-commerce. So you can still sell online, but have it in your email campaigns. That's where Mailchimp and Aweber, they don't have a shopping cart. They don't accept payments. So you see, this is where this is what they don't provide, and this is where people are moving from Constant Contact, unfortunately, to more of a robust automation sales tool and marketing as well. So that's my little rant. This is my dashboard, so I can see current tasks that I have. Their user interface isn't beautiful, but it's more about just getting what you need to have done in a day and can do it in a few seconds and not spend 3 hours. These are my sales funnels over on the right here, and just to give you a sample of one of the things that a lot of people use Infusionsoft for is a campaign builder. So if I go to this campaign here and quickly show you, remember I had the beginning of our little presentation, let's grow your business together. This form here, the difference is that if this is the form here that you would fill in right here, you fill those forms in there, and in Aweber you would just get a reply back saying, hey, thanks for to wanting to book a strategy call with us. Now what I have here is actually something a little bit more robust. I'm actually sending them out an email saying, hey, thanks for reaching out. Would you like to set up a strategy call with me and what time works? And if they do book a time with me, it applies a tag and sends them the confirmation of the meeting and when and where it's going to happen. And this has all been done without me doing anything. This is all done automatically. And then if they actually cancel the meeting, they actually can't do it. Let's say they've lost their dog and they can't come to the meeting. They cancel the meeting. It then sends emails over a period of time to try and get them to rebook for the meeting without me doing anything. If they don't show and I come up to the meeting and they don't show, let's say on a GoToWebinar, I can apply a note to then, sends out emails saying, hey, I missed you on the call. So this is where you can use you can actually again infuse the logic of your business into Infusionsoft to automate certain things of it. So this is the next level up from just this simple email marketing, and it's not all that complicated. The reason why I say that is because when you start with Infusionsoft, you start really small and just starting to understand the little facets of the software, and then every couple of days, this is with me, is that when you're driving or you're riding your bike, you actually start thinking about, oh, maybe I can do this, maybe I can do that, and then you start tinkering around with it, and it just builds on itself. And then when other people see your campaign that you're building out, they think, wow, that looks really complicated, but it really isn't. So hopefully we're at the 12-minute marker here. So hopefully that kind of separates the two different types of software and the type of need that you're needing. So to contact me if you do have any questions, I'm on what's called Twitter, and Auto Kickstart is the handle. Email is kyle@kickstarter.com. Sorry, kyle@kickstartautomation.com. That's the email. And hopefully that helped. Hope you have a great day, and talk to you then. Bye-bye.